But the big focus in Sushant Singh Rajput death case, remember, will be and has been the financial trail. Rhea Chakrabarti told India Today in this exclusive interview that the late actor liked to live life like a king and splurge on his friends and family. Rhea herself, meanwhile, is accused of embezzlement of his funds, and Sushant's family has claimed that she's the one transferring a lot of money in crores out of his bank account. So India Today decided to carry out their own independent financial forensic investigation on one of the bank accounts of the late actor. This is what it revealed about the spending behavior. Take a look.
He lived like a star. He lived like a king. He loved it. वो लड़कों को भी ले गया ट्रिप पे. क्या उन्होंने भी उसे फोर्स किया है ऐसा कराने के लिए? और जी नहीं, I was not living off Sushant Singh Rajput's money. We were living like a couple.
She rejected accusations of gold digging.
पेरिस में मेरा एक शूट था एक कंपनी के साथ, Shein, जो कि एक क्लोथिंग वेयर है, उनका एक फैशन शो था. उसके भी चैट सब प्रूफ है मेरे पास. उस फैशन शो में मुझे अटेंड करने के लिए पेरिस बुलाया जा रहा था और मेरी टू एंड फ्रो बिजनेस क्लास टिकट्स और वहां की होटल स्टे बुक थी बाय द कंपनी नेचुरली. लेकिन सुशांत थॉट इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया टू मेक अ यूरो ट्रिप आउट ऑफ दिस, सो ही कैंसल्ड दोज टिकट्स, व्हिच आई हैव दोज टिकट्स जस्ट इन केस नाउ आई हैव टू प्रूव एवरीथिंग. He canceled those tickets and booked first class tickets, and the rest of the trip he paid for the hotels. He wanted to, and I absolutely didn't have a problem with that.
She has acknowledged having accompanied her boyfriend on foreign trips, all expenses paid. India Today accessed at least one statement of one of Sushant Singh Rajput's bank accounts in Mumbai and commissioned it for analysis. Leading forensic financial expert Namrata Kanodia found the star was generous with his spendings overall. A life of indulgence. This statement from a Mumbai bank covers Rajput's transactions from January to November last year, excluding the month of September. The flamboyant actor spent more than 4.5 crores spread over 10 months in 2019. More than 85 lakh on travelling and personal luxuries. He appears to have been a connoisseur of luxury drinks and clubbing.
We saw his 10 months account in one of the bank, and there it was total withdrawal or expenditure, you can say, is around 4.6 crores. And from that 4.6 crores, it is mainly 42 lakhs approx was on traveling. Then comes Reha and her brother. It was around 9.5 lakhs, and which is mainly on like 1.7 lakhs on flight, and 4.7 lakhs on Shonix hotel stay, and some 3.4 lakhs on makeup and other shopping, etc.
A star's lavish lifestyle. But his spending also offers a peek at Rajput's spiritual side as well. He spent more than 16 lakh rupees between February and April on charity, and around 3 lakh rupees on puja and spiritual products like Rudraksha. But what has surprised the forensic expert was the pattern of payments shown for dried fruits. Purchases under this header incurred close to 5.25 lakh rupees from January 2019 to May 2019.
If you see this summary we have made, it is mainly the kind of amount which is coming and frequency, the way it is coming. It is like, if you see 20th January 19, it is 32,000. Then 21st January 19, again 32,000. 25th January 19, again 32,000. So even if you assume he was buying some gift packets or something, but then also again in February, it will be 36,400, 40,500 again in February. So kind of, round off figure, if you go and buy something in the market, and you buy an absolute amount 32, 40, 46, so that somehow raises some doubt about the kind of transaction that was.
The forensic analysis of the account also shows cash withdrawals amounting to nearly 25 lakh rupees.
Sushant Singh Rajput's bank accounts, at least 4 of them are being probed by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, including the one statement which has been independently audited by our independent forensic expert. It's now over to the investigators for their conclusions. With Devesh Singh in Mumbai, this is Aishwarya Paliwal in New Delhi reporting for India Today.
And in the exclusive interview with India Today that everyone has been talking about, Rhea Chakravarti also had revealed, remember, that Sushant Singh Rajput had taken a trip to Thailand in 2018 with 6 of his friends. And they hired a private jet to travel. They also spent about 70 lakh rupees, mainly from his pocket. We bring you some insights of the Thailand trip of Sushant Singh Rajput in this report. Take a look.
According to Rhea Chakravarti, Sushant Singh Rajput spent 70 lakh rupees on a boys' trip to Thailand with 6 of his male friends. India Today has learned that the 5 Rhea was referring to were part of Sushant Singh Rajput's pro team. 3 can be seen in this picture. Kushal Zaveri, director and friend; Abbas, director in Sushant's pro team and friend; Sushant Singh Rajput; Siddharth Gupta, friend and actor. 2 more friends and members of Sushant's pro team were Sabir and bodyguard Mushtaq. India Today's investigation team spoke to Mushtaq, who revealed that Sushant chose him to accompany the late actor on the Thailand trip.
आप वो जो बैंकॉक ट्रिप थी उसमें आप भी थे ना?
हाँ जी।
सो आप लोग कितने लोग थे और कौन-कौन था?
वहाँ पे एक मुश्ताक करके बॉडीगार्ड था, मैं था, और सर थे, और सिद्धार्थ गुप्ता जो वास्ते सॉन्ग का है वो थे, और कुशल जेवरी।
ओके, सो
काम पास करके था।
और आप लोग और कौन था?
अब्बास,
जो एडिटर
करता था।
ओके।
Kushal Zaveri posted this picture on the 30th of December in 2018 with Sushant's friend Siddharth Gupta and a table set up for dinner for 6 from Thailand's Koh Samui Island. Gradually, Sushant's pro team disintegrated and everyone except for Samuel left. According to Siddharth Pitani, Sushant Singh Rajput called him personally to join him, and Pitani started living with Sushant and worked as his creative manager. Rhea reportedly entered Sushant's life from April 2019. Shruti Barjatia, Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
So about this lavish lifestyle and Thailand trip, what did Rhea Chakravarti say to India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai in this exclusive conversation? Listen in.
The allegation is that you were the one who was spending his money. You are the social climber, Rhea Chakravarti. You are the social climber.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, क्योंकि मुझसे पहले भी आई थिंक 1-2 साल पहले वो 6 लड़कों के साथ थाईलैंड एक ट्रिप पे गया था, जहां उसने 70 लाख रुपए खर्चे और एक प्राइवेट जेट वो ले गया, और ये सुशांत की लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस थी. हाउएवर ही वांट्स टू लिव हिज लाइफ. उसमें आप कौन होते हैं बताने के लिए कि उसे कैसा जीना चाहिए, उसे 5 स्टार में रहना चाहिए, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को साथ ले जाना चाहिए कि नहीं. उसकी मर्जी ना. ही लिव्ड लाइक अ स्टार, ही लिव्ड लाइक अ किंग, ही लव्ड इट. वो लड़कों को भी ले गया ट्रिप पे. क्या उन्होंने भी उसे फोर्स किया है ऐसा कराने के लिए? और जी नहीं, आई वॉज नॉट लिविंग ऑफ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत's money. We were living like a couple.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.